Hello everyone. Welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you're planning to work as a nurse in Qatar, one of the first things you'll need is a Department of Healthcare Professions, DHP, account. Many people still call it the QCHP account, but don't worry. It's the same licensing authority under its updated name. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your Qatar DHP account step by step, explain the documents you'll need, highlight common mistakes to avoid, and tell you what to do after creating your account. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe because this channel is dedicated to helping nurses and healthcare professionals find verified opportunities abroad. Let's get started. Section 1. What is Qatar DHP? Before creating your account, let's understand what DHP is. The Department of Healthcare Professions, or DHP, is the healthcare licensing authority in Qatar. It regulates healthcare professionals such as registered nurses, doctors, pharmacists, physiotherapists, radiographers, laboratory scientists, dentists, midwives. If you want to work legally as a healthcare professional in Qatar, you must complete the DHP licensing process. You may still hear people referring to QCHP. That's because the licensing system was previously managed under the Qatar Council for Healthcare Practitioners. The name has changed, but the licensing process continues under DHP. Section 2. Before you create your account. Before opening the website, make sure you have these basic documents ready. You'll typically need 1. A valid passport. 2. A personal email address that you use regularly. 3. Your nursing qualification certificate. 4. Your nursing registration or license from your home country. 5. Employment history or work experience details. Later in the licensing process, you may also need data flow verification, a prometric examination, and other supporting documents depending on your situation. Having your information organized will make the process much smoother. Section 3. Step-by-step account creation. Now let's create the account. Step 1. Go to the official DHP registration portal. Always use the official government website. Avoid unofficial websites or anyone asking for money just to create an account for you. Step 2. Select the option to register as a new user. You'll be asked to provide your personal information. Fill in full name exactly as it appears on your passport. Date of birth. Nationality. Passport details. Email address. Mobile number. Double-check everything before continuing. Step 3. Create a secure password. Use a password that combines uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters. Store it safely because you'll need it throughout your licensing journey. Step 4. Verify your email. After registration, DHP usually sends a verification email. Open your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the verification link to activate your account. Step 5. Log back into your account. Congratulations! Your DHP account has now been created. This account will be used throughout your licensing process. Section 4. What happens next? Creating your account is only the beginning. After that, you'll usually continue with 1. Data flow verification. 2. Prometric examination. 3. Employer sponsorship. 4. License application. 5. Document review. The exact order can vary depending on your employer, your experience, and current DHP requirements. That's why it's important to follow the latest official guidance and your employer's instructions. Section 5. Common mistakes. Many applicants delay their own applications by making avoidable mistakes. These include using a different name from the one on the passport, entering the wrong email address, using an email they rarely check, uploading incorrect information, creating multiple accounts, ignoring verification emails. Always review every detail carefully before submitting your information. Section 6. Final advice. If your goal is to become a nurse in Qatar, don't wait until you receive a job offer before learning the licensing process. Understand the requirements early. Prepare your documents. Study for the prometric exam. Build a professional CV. Follow only legal recruitment pathways. And remember, never pay someone simply to create a DHP account for you if you can do it yourself. Learning the process gives you confidence and helps protect you from scams. Photo. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to create your Qatar DHP account. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global, and share it with another nurse preparing for Qatar. In the comments below, let me know which country you'd like me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and as always, may God guide your journey, open the right doors for you, and grant you success in your career abroad. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.